In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept an invite in Google Chat on your desktop. Navigating Google Chat is straightforward, but getting started might require a few simple steps, especially if you're accepting an invitation to a chat. So, let's get into it. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you use regularly. Once you've got your browser opened, head to your search bar and type in Google Chat. Hit Enter, and you should see the Google Chat website appear in your search results. Go ahead and click on that link to open Google Chat. You'll be prompted to sign in. Here, you should enter your Google account credentials. This will typically be the email address and password you use for your Gmail or other Google services. If you have multiple Google accounts, be sure to select the one where you've received the chat invitation. Upon signing in, you'll arrive at the Google Chat interface. On the left-hand sidebar, you're going to look for the Direct Messages section. It's important to ensure that this section is expanded because you'll be selecting a name from this list shortly. If it's collapsed, just click on it to expand and see all your current and pending chat invitations. Now scan through the list until you find the name associated with the chat invitation you've received. Once you locate the name, click on it. This action will open up the chat box, which is the area where your messages will be displayed. Once the chat box is visible, you'll notice a message at the bottom. It should say something along the lines of Chat Request. It's here that you'll be given two options: block or accept. If you're expecting this chat and you recognize the sender, go ahead and click on Accept. This will enable you to start messaging with the person or group that sent you the invitation. It's as simple as that. Accepting a chat invite on Google Chat ensures that you stay connected and engaged with the conversations that matter to you. Now that you know how to accept an invite, you can efficiently manage your chat communications from your desktop. Remember, Google Chat is a powerful tool for collaborating and staying in touch, whether you're working remotely, connecting with colleagues, or just catching up with friends. That's it for today's guide on accepting an invite in Google Chat. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this walkthrough helps you navigate your Google Chat interactions more smoothly.